Hello, what a way to create a YouTube video after almost a year with unmade bed, non-made bed. What is the right word? If this is the very first video that you're watching, then hi, my name is Jainee Gandhi. My wardrobe is falling, with all these brand collaborations that are happening. And as mindful as I am with all the PR packages that come, my wardrobe is literally falling apart and I don't like untidy places. The things are untidy right now because I'm sorting my wardrobe and I want to take you along that journey. This is my wardrobe. सिर्फ एक room जैसा है with some hanging space and overhead एक storage के लिए. Gosh, it is so dirty. मतलब यार I declutter and organize wardrobe for clients और मेरे खुद का wardrobe गिर रहा है. Let's begin. Okay, so I have like सारी bags निकाल दी है मैंने. So much for minimalism, man. I have so many bags. And काफ़ी सारी bags तो मैं use भी नहीं करती. They are more like demonstration bags. So now I'm just going to remove. Basically, my idea is, let me show you. So my idea is कि ये जो मेरा standing wardrobe है, basically the standing drawers that I have, मैं ये opposite है. So this is the opposite, right? And I'm planning that this whole part I move on this side and ये वाली चीज़ें वहाँ move कर दूँ ताकि मुझे visibility ज़्यादा हो. Because like this block where I can keep all my bags and I can see them. और फिर ये सारे denims तो मुझे पता ही है कौन से हैं. So when I put my denims inside, it will be easy for me to see. So today I'm going to do this swap. Keep my homeware clothes and my denim and some t-shirts here. And then move करते हैं. Hello. So my room is still in a mess. I started doing this yesterday, but I had to order a couple of organizers. I've got my Amazon parcel. Let's open this and start sorting. You have to ignore how I look today because I'm just not feeling well since few days. I mean, I don't know, maybe my periods are due. All right. It's almost like a gift. So this is an organizer which helps put t-shirts because it comes with, yep, can you see? All these partitions, they help putting t-shirts or they help putting denims, whatever you want. And they stay really well. So I'm planning to put denims or two t-shirts. Like I just see, I've got them for t-shirt and I'm going to check for Arav and Chehel as well if they want. So this is the first one. And it comes in a set of 3. So I've got 3 of these. Hello. Today is day 3. My little wardrobe is done and I got 2 new parcels because the solutions at Amazon, the wardrobe solutions are really nice. Let's open it. Okay, these are these cubes. I don't know if you know. So this is almost like a huge project now. These are these cubes that I have. I like the quality at IKEA as well, and even these ones. So it's done. So this is for underwear. I'm going to put like undies here. One for Chehel also if it goes in her wardrobe. So my wardrobe was in a mess because I was using like pouches like this for underwear, and then I would keep my socks in the box like this, which everything was just haywire. So now I'm going to segregate them in these, and then you remember this one that I got for t-shirts, this one, and I have another one which I already had. I'll put my bras in that. So let me show you. What a great angle, Jainee, and you want to become a YouTuber, a fashion YouTuber. So now in this one, a fresh one, I'm putting all my high-waist panties or shapewear or period panties that I don't need on a regular basis so that this one stays there. And this is done. It might look messy right now, but once it goes into the wardrobe, it just feels like settled. So let's put in the wardrobe. So what started as a one thing project has come to a whole wardrobe, and let's see. But it's coming nice. I have to show you the full thing. I don't have a before and a after. So you will just see after, but it's going to be mess free. That's the goal. Okay, on to accessories now. And this is the last one that just came from Amazon. My room is a mess. This is what will help organize my jewelry. Ooh, the quality is really nice. Oh shit, this was only one piece. So this side is for all the earrings and this side is for the necklaces. Okay, this is the last one that I have got. Can I tell you, blogging is really hard, and I don't know how people do this on a regular basis. I shouldn't have got the net one. So basically, these are underwear. This is to hold underwear. I got the big pocket one because, can you see this? The big pocket one? I got the big pocket one because, my statement earrings are quite big. Let me show you the thing that I have. So this is the one I'll lay around and show you that I got for my jewelry, which I just hang it in my wardrobe. And then I got this one, but one thing stupid did not realize is that not to have the mesh one. I got the mesh one. Because my statement jewelry is like this big, I wanted to put it like this so that I can see them and they don't get crumpled. The plastic one was very small. And what I like about these are that I can hang it directly in my wardrobe. Like I said, this is actually a lingerie solution, so you can put your undies and you can put your bra here, so that it's quite nice actually. Now I'm tempted to bring this for lingerie and underwear as well. Interesting. Anyways, let's start putting the jewelry one, and hopefully my wardrobe looks sorted much better than last time. Okay, so this is the bag section. The whole jewelry section looks so nice, easily accessible. Then all the winter tops are out, all the skirts, dresses, and again winter stuff, the jackets, upar all my summer shoes and hat, and what else? This part is also all sorted. So that was it. I hope you liked this video format of me being very raw and candid. And if you want more such videos, subscribe to my channel. What do YouTubers say? Like, share, subscribe. Till I see you next time.